Ellis girls shake the world. One of the reasons I like chemistry is because I really like to mix things. I like to watch things change when I mix them. It's another reason that I like baking. When I'm in the kitchen, when I'm baking, there's always a problem with something. It was too hot the first time and I've got to redo it another time, and this thing is leaking and that thing is having issues. So problem solving and being creative about the solutions that I have to come up with in both the kitchen and the science lab are one reason that I really like science. During the summer and the spring, during lockdown, I noticed that there was this influx of plastic pollution coming specifically from single-use surgical masks. The project that I settled on this year was looking at how single-use surgical masks break down potentially at a faster rate than, say, a piece of extruded plastic would, and seeing whether they are potentially more harmful than a plastic bag or a plastic water bottle would be.